Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. So I've been busy this morning. It's actually just a little afternoon right now. But yeah, I actually got up early today. So you're going to say, okay, Prepper Nurse 1, what's early? 7 a.m. I was awake at 7. Came out of the camper at about 8:15 and took care of the animals. Actually, I have laundry on there on the line. Nobody peed on the bed, but it was just time to wash the sheets again. And then I got a couple other things hanging up here right now. So once all that is dry, which actually probably I'm thinking within the hour. I mean, now the t-shirts and the socks, no, not within the hour. But the lounge pants, the bottom sheet, the sheet itself, which is farther over this way, and then the pillowcases will be done. And then I still have more laundry to do. So what I'll do is once I collect all that and bring that back in. What did I tell you? What did I say? So once I bring those in, I'll wash the rest of this. Here's my 2 buckets that I was using. And then I was cutting grass today. Now, I did up here, I did over here. I did back behind here on this side, over by the picnic table, did over there in front of the other totes over there. That's all I'm doing, okay? I'm not cutting the rest of it, and I will tell you why. Because normally it's a good day to cut grass. We're low 70s, there's a nice breeze going, but I'm not cutting any more of the grass because as of the 8th of next month, and today is now the 30th, you're going to see this video Friday on the 31st. And actually, when you see this video, I'll be live streaming Friday night at 8 p.m. Just a quick reminder, okay? So I will be doing that as well. But my lawnmower, my riding lawnmower, Mark's got it fixed. He's bringing it back. And I'm going to cut the rest of this with the riding lawnmower. You have no idea what a pain it has been cutting this with a push mower. Now, I'll still have to cut around the panels, obviously, up here, but I can hit a lot of this with the rider, so that's going to make life a whole lot easier. So I may have to cut the grass up this part, up higher part, one more time. Probably will before everybody comes down. And then when they get down here and I got that rider, folks, I'm going to be a grass cutting mofo. I tell you that right now. But I mean, I like it when it's cut and it looks nice. I cut a path through there over to the chicken run as well. But yeah, I'm just like, I'm not going crazy cutting everything. Within less than 10 days, I'm going to have the rider back. So might be a little bit higher then, that's okay, but this part all up through here is cut. That's what I care about right now. Tanky, come here, baby. Come on. Him looking like, what? What are you doing? That tail going, what are you doing? Huh? Come on. Leave her. Yeah, I know. He just wants to play with her. And she just gets right down there. And like he mauls the crap out of her. I mean, she'll be soaking wet with saliva. He doesn't hurt her. But I want him to leave the cat alone. So, anyhow. So, yeah, but it's been a little bit of a motivation day. I knew, like I said, I knew the weather was going to be decent. So I wanted to get going, get some things done, and so that's kind of where I'm at today. But like I said, I'm not cutting any further. Tanky, no, Tank, hey, come here, good boy, yes, well, were you being naughty? Huh? No, you came. Good boy. Leave the kitty alone. So, anyway, so that's where we're at. kind of just getting a few things squared away. Like I said, this was overdue to get cut probably by 3 days. Kali! She goes bananas with these freaking cats, and she'll drive you out of your freaking mind. But where he wants to play with him, she wants to chase him and eat him. And the boys are the same way. They want to chase him and eat him. So I have to obviously keep things squared away, keep everybody in line. So I'll show you the solar should probably be at 100%. We've had a lot of sunshine today, which is good. Not running any AC. I think it's only about 76 degrees. Very, very comfortable. Like I said, even with cutting grass, if I knew the lawnmower wasn't coming back, I'd just keep cutting. It's not been bad at all. You know, cutting the grass, not at all. It's actually been very pleasant, to be honest with you. And you know, I mean, am I still sweating? Yes, but I'm not dying. I'm not like, I don't need, you know, 20 minutes to recover. There we go. Yep, 100%. Perfect. That's right where we want to be. That's what we like to see. So, but yeah, like I said, just a low-key day. Well, not really low-key, getting some stuff done. A little more laundry to do, and then all the laundry, other than towels, I'll have to wash the towels again too. But I'll get these things in probably within the hour, probably by 1 o'clock. I'll pull those and get them in, and then I'll wash the other stuff and hang that up and see how much room I got left after I do that. And then just kind of, you know, wait till it dries. And you know, we got a few good days in a row here coming, and where we have no rain in the forecast. So yeah, pretty happy about that. Like I said, just you know, I hadn't been able to get this cut because we'd had that rain, and then just like yesterday I was just not feeling it. But so, but yeah, progress. Lots to do. I got a couple other projects that I want to work on over the next couple days as well, and I'll share that with you as I work on those. But no, stop! You know, with the freaking gas cans, I'm gonna kick your behind. I am. Stop! No. She's always knocking over the freaking gas cans, which is annoying. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for right now. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see everybody 8 o'clock for the live stream, and you know, get ready for another weekend here. I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.